Hello everyone, welcome to this somewhat tutorial, somewhat discussion video. This has to do with the RWS, formerly SDL language cloud, dealing with term bases. I've just been working on a project, involving a multilingual term base. So I started out with COVID-related bilingual term bases compiled by Facebook and Google, and the goal was to create a master term base so that it contained English and all of its equivalents in one entry. For example, active cases we open up as English, and then all of these language equivalents, instead of, for example, if we go down to contagious, there are several inputs, which this is not the issue. I'll be cleaning this up. But the problem that we have been running into, so this is the CSV file that we've been using. This is the compiled term base. So it has English with its specific locale codes where applicable, with the English term and its equivalent. And you'll see as we go that there are some, let's find an example. Some where the equivalent didn't exist in some languages, or it wasn't made available in the term base. So we'll see some, let's see here, like where in this language these terms didn't exist. So they're not included. But anyways, so just some tips that I have found. If we go back up here to the top, let's see, make sure that when you're uploading your file to the language cloud term base that you spell the language exactly as it is in the system. So for example, English United States, one problem that I was running into earlier was, let's find here with Portuguese, I had Brazil with an S as it's spelled in the native language, and then it wasn't recognizing it when I was trying to upload it. So just a little tip there. Another thing that could be very helpful to you would be to use the right here we have the glossary converter that is made by SDL, and we'll take a CSV file as an input and output it as an XDT and XTM, which basically set up the structure of the term base and the content of the term base itself automatically for you. So you can upload those files, and it will facilitate the creation of your term base. Now, the problem that I've been running into is, obviously, this CSV has about 15 languages, including English, but for some reason I can't get more than about 7 or 8 to appear in our glossary. It said everything uploaded fine, but then I go and I click, and this one has even less. It just has 6, including English. So that's the problem I've been having. If you have any tips for me, go ahead and comment on this video, or if you need help that maybe something I can help you with, go ahead and comment below as well. And there's also a forum in the Language Cloud Translation Management that I've posted on if you'd like to look there as well for advice. Best of luck.